Today we wanna make Nutella pizza with an innovative drink called Mochatella. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? In a deep bowl, mix AP flour and salt. Add yeast, honey or sugar to warm water and stir until the yeast activated. After resting for 10 minutes, add it to a flour and mix well until it becomes a smooth and soft dough. Pour olive oil on the bottom of the bowl and place the dough on it and let it rest for about 1 hour until it puffs up. Spread it with a rolling pin or by hand. Put it in a mold and make a hole on it so that the dough does not puff up during the cooking. For a better taste, like me, apply the little butter on it. Remember, do this again in the middle of cooking. Leave it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I use bananas and strawberries for topping. You can use any topping you like. While the pizza bread is hot, spread Nutella on it and arrange the toppings. Finally, serve with caramel sauce, walnuts, and grated chocolate. Well, now that the Nutella jar is empty, we want to make an attractive drink with the remaining Nutella which we have. Add hot milk, espresso, and a little vanilla extract to it. Stir well until the ingredients are mixed together and give a good foam. Serve on top with cream, chocolate sauce, and walnuts. Make this pizza and drink for someone you love. Enjoy your brunch!